I'm Katharina Spurling-Kaffl, the President and CEO of IXL and Lightlift Technology, the only authorized manufacturer for the original Slim Spurling Lightlift tools. Today I have 3 important things I want to share with you. First of all, June hurricane season is coming up, and you know it was my late husband Slim Spurling's greatest desire to find a solution for air pollution. But also harmonizers are also known for diverting tornadoes and hurricanes. So if you have a harmonizer, make sure to activate it. They want to be activated to give their best. And activating is you put earphones on the harmonizer, you activate it with the CD they come with, and it's expanding the field. And the more harmonizers we have activated, the denser the light field gets, and the more light we are spreading, and the more good we can do on the planet. So if you need more help, please feel free to contact us and we will give you some advice what you can do in your specific area. And the next thing is Father's Day coming up. So please celebrate the father, the father figures in your life. I'm blessed with knowing many wonderful fathers, and so please celebrate them. We wouldn't be here if it weren't for them, and of course our mothers. So, and last but not least, our last workshop in the US with Scott Anderson is coming up in Pennsylvania the last weekend in June. So make sure to register because it's so worth learning how to locate and eliminate geopathic stress. It can change your life and the life of your loved ones for the better. And it's incredible what people reported. So, and I know from my own experience, you really want to know how to do it to feel better, have your finances increase, and have your kids do better at school, and many, many other things. Alrighty? And I would hope to meet you in person at our next workshop in Pennsylvania. If you don't want to go to Pennsylvania, you are also welcome to come to Germany in October. But make sure to come to a workshop. It's so worth your time. I look forward to meeting you. Make it a wonderful beginning of summer.